let Jerry film this while I try to pull his little wings out and stuff. Because, oh, hang on, sweetie, hang on. So this leg doesn't seem to be up with the other one, but, and I can't tell if there's a wing issue.
His wing looks like it's got holes on it.
Well, he doesn't have all these feathers, and you're going to get more of them pulled out. Quit it. See? Yes, I know you're getting mad. I know you're getting mad. And now we're scooting on our side, and now we're going belly up.
He won't move
Your
from
head,
that.
no. The head is right side up, but the body is upside down. Get back over.